Imagine driving a flood of free organic traffic to your site without spending a dime on ads. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how. Welcome to the world of fresh online reports, where creating valuable reports can skyrocket your online presence. By generating high-value, niche-relevant content, you can build long-lasting authority and trust with your audience. Did you know that your reports can be indexed by search engines, giving you SEO benefits and driving even more traffic? Consistency is key. Submitting up to 30 reports per month can maximize your reach and engagement. Targeting both trending and evergreen topics in your niche can significantly boost your visibility. Imagine the power of leveraging consistency to grow traffic that builds over time, creating a snowball effect. With fresh online reports, you can drive targeted leads to your site, landing pages, or offers without any ad costs. This strategy not only boosts your online presence, but also positions you as an authority in your field. Ready to transform your traffic strategy? Start creating valuable reports today and watch your online presence soar. Fresh online reports, where your content drives your success.